Ground zero of this economic crisis, of course, the banking industry. It's still trying to recover from the bust of all those bad loans during the mortgage boom that are still causing jitters. News Channel 8 and Portland Business Journal reporter Joe Smith is here with more. Joe?
Well, Tracy, after Monday's run on a California bank, depositors everywhere are understandably worried. Now, anyone who deals with a bank wonders, is their money safe?
I'm very concerned because I'm 72, you know.
Lorraine Smith isn't sure what to make of the collapse of IndyMac Bank in California. It has her worried. What about her savings?
Developers were out there building houses, building homes, or building condos. And to get that business, banks wanted to started lowering their standards.
Ralph Cole, Senior Vice President with Ferguson Wellman Capital Management, says there is legitimate concern about protecting your money now. Know your risk.
Once you start the fear cycle, it feeds on itself.
Don't look now, but there's something funny going on over there at the bank, George.
You know, it's very much like the scene in It's a Wonderful Life. If you start worrying that XYZ Bank is going to go under and your money's there, you're going to go take it out, and so's the next guy. And then their reserves are totally destroyed.
And that leads to a collapse. President Bush today tried to reassure depositors their money is safe.
Your deposit is insured by the federal government up to $100,000
per account.
At some point in time, everyone gets in trouble. That's how we had a depression the first time.
Hey, lady, you got any money in the bank? You better hurry.
And for families who lived through the Depression, old habits remain.
And they've told me to start looking for their money should they die unexpectedly under the bed and in the closet, because they don't believe the banks are going to make it.
Stock prices for banks over the past year have dropped on average 50%, some much more, including Washington Mutual. Online discussions wonder, after billions in bad loans, will it survive?
I think the CEO there is in a very difficult place. He can't say anything but we're safe.
In a statement, Washington Mutual says WAMU has current excess liquidity of more than $40 billion.
When you have a bubble as big as we've had in housing, it takes time to work all of those bad loans off of banks' balance sheets.
Now, Wells Fargo, the only AAA-rated bank in the country, reports an increase of deposits from other banks over concerns of the banking woes. Now, to learn more about the FDIC, the Federal Deposit Insurance Corporation, we've got a link at kgw.com.